Hello everyone, we are doing higher order derivatives in this video. That is the process of finding second order derivatives, third order derivatives, and so on and so forth. As you can see up here, the problem that I have written down is actually number 6 from our review worksheet. So I'm going to show you how to get this done. In the problem it actually says find the second derivative, or f double prime. So in order to do that, we have to actually find the first derivative first. So what I like to do with these problems, especially when you see problems that have an x in the denominator and a square root of x, I like to make it look a little bit nicer. So I like to bring up the denominator, make it a negative exponent. I like to make the roots have their fractional exponent. Make it look like that. That's a little bit easier, especially when you're dealing with the power rule and taking the derivatives. So first we're going to do the first derivative, or f prime of that. So we bring down our 3, we get 18x squared minus 12x to the negative fourth minus 3 halves x to the negative 1/2 plus 6x, just x. Okay, that's just taking the regular derivative. And now there's no need to get rid of the negative exponents yet, because we're going to have to take the derivative again anyway. So we take the derivative of the derivative, and that is the second order derivative. So you take the derivative, 36x plus 48x to the negative fifth plus 3 over 4 x to the negative 3 halves. I'm going to explain that in a second. Plus 6. Okay, so a couple things happened here. This is, elementary. We've done that in the beginning. But right here, we bring down the negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 12 gave me the positive 48, so watch that sign. And then obviously we subtract 1, and we get our negative 5. Over here, we bring down the negative 1/2. Negative times a negative gave me positive. That's why it's a plus. And then 1/2 times 3 halves, you just multiply the denominators, and you get 3/4 x. And then you subtract 1, or 2 over 2, and that's why we get negative 3 over 2. All right, now we just have some cleaning up to do, because this is no good with negative exponents and all that stuff. That's not nice, so we have to clean it up. So let's do that. 36x is just fine, plus 48 over x to the fifth. That's a weird looking 5. Plus 3 over 4x to the positive 3 halves plus 6. Alright? And that's basically it. That's essentially what I was telling you guys in class, what we discussed about for when we were doing second order derivatives. If we were to talk about doing third order or fourth order or whatever, you would just continue. You would just take the derivative of this derivative, and then you take the derivative of the next one, and then so on and so forth. But that's basically the process. Just remember to follow your rules. Make sure you don't don't forget about the sign changes. Don't forget about, basic multiplication errors. I don't want to see you guys lose points on stuff like that. All right, and this is our final solution. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps, and good luck. Peace.